Hi guys, this is Shashank and welcome back to MS Word Quick Tips and Tricks presented by XRedMe. And today we are covering the part 7 of this series. This video is very much related to my earlier video, that is the part 3 of this series, where we have discussed that how to use the word count feature of MS Word. But in this video we will discuss that how to insert the word count into your document itself. So let's start today's video. Let us assume that occasionally or in any case you want to insert the word count into your document itself. Like I have this document and I want to display that the word count of this document. So simply I want to display at the end of this document, so I will simply scroll down to the last page of this document, that is the page number 3, and now here I want to display the total word count of this document. I will not add it manually, but it will be automatically added to this document. So let's see how to do that. Simply you have to go to the Insert tab. If you are at Home tab, simply select Insert tab, go to Quick Parts and select Field option. And now you have to scroll down and find out the Num Words feature. So here is Num Words. Click here, press OK, and you will see the word count has been displayed in your document. But this is not a live word count. I mean to say, if I will add some more words, like add some more words, the word count will not change because it is not a live. But you can simply manually update it by simply click here, right click and go to Update Field, and now you will see the word count has been updated. So this way you can add the word count into your document itself. But if you want to print out all your document, you must follow this simple rule. Simply go to the File option, go to Options and go to Display option, and make sure that you have checked the update fields before printing. This option will help to update your document, or you can say the word count, every time you print your document. So this way you can include the word counts into your document. So that's all for today's video.